I'm just so relieved. I can't believe it. I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone. You know, the embassy, the ambassador, the Taoiseach, Taoiseach, Mary Lou, Claire Caron, obviously the media. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here right now. Without the support of the Irish people, like, this is just such an amazing country, and I feel bad for people that don't have the support that we have. Like, we're such a tight country and we have each other's backs, and I can't believe how fast things got going, and I'm so emotional. Yeah, and a huge thanks to Rada Sterling. I mean, she's the first one that we got onto, and she kicked off everything. Like, the minute we spoke to her, that's when everything kind of came to fruition.